rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to our latest episode of Rants and rAVes. I know this is typically Gary's podcast, but I have again taken over and I might not give it back to him. We'll see. In this episode, I have Greg O'Rourke from Almo Pro AV. We're talking about Almo's E4 experience. We've already had 2 stops in the spring, and we're about to have 2 more stops this fall. And Greg is on to talk about the next stop coming up in Santa Clara on September 10th. So, Greg, for those who have not attended an E4 yet this year, what can they expect out of Santa Clara's stop?
Well, Steph, thanks for having me first off, but I'm glad to be here to talk about the E4. This is our third time at this location. It's going to be at the Hyatt Regency on September 10th, right near Levi Stadium in San Francisco or Santa Clara. And they can expect a new brand from us. We are what was old is new again. So we are going from Exertis Almo back to Almo, the name that everybody learned to love and trust. So we're excited about that. And E4, as you know, are built on the 4 pillars of educate, explore, expo, and exchange. So we're excited to bring that again to Santa Clara.
So, in terms of one of those pillars that you mentioned, educate. So, one of the great things about Almo's E4 is all of the amazing training sessions that are included in this day. So, which training sessions, if any, in particular, do you think are going to resonate most with this Bay Area audience?
Sure. Well, I think the Bay Area audience is going to enjoy our keynote speaker, Amanda Stewart from Microsoft. So they're probably a little familiar with that company. She's going to talk about AI and how it can be harnessed in the workplace to
Mhm.
improve efficiency and open new business opportunities. And it's chocked full of must-know data. It's called AI in Action, Transforming Collaboration and Efficiency in the Smart Workplace. We also have a lot of other classes. We've got a speaker that joined us for the first time in the spring. Her name is Samantha Potter from Allen and Heath, and she's going to be doing IP addressing fundamentals. And we have Tom Kerr doing basic acoustics for meeting rooms and modern meeting room design. And Fred Kane from Planar is going to be doing fundamentals of fine pitch DV LED technology.
Nice.
And of course, we've got the exhibit hall tour and another special guest speaker. Steph, you may want to speak to that.
Yeah, I will also be one leading the tour for the show floor. So if anyone wants to come along with that after the keynote, they are of course more than welcome. That's just going to be some highlights on the show floor and just kind of an opportunity for me to give some of the attendees some face time with some manufacturers that they might not know. So I'm happy to help kind of make that introduction and kind of bridge that a little bit. And yes, I am teaching a class on the top trends in AV in 2025 and things that you should look out for, of course, for the end of 2025. And these are still trends that I think are going to lead us into 2026. So yeah, I'm excited to also be a part of this like rock star lineup. A lot of women, which is really, really awesome.
Yeah, we're very excited. It was very successful in the spring, and we're looking forward to Santa Clara.
Yeah, absolutely. So, are there any product debuts or highlights that you'd like to tease or kind of mention for this stop? I know that the manufacturer lineup does kind of not change totally, but there are some new ones or some switch out depending on the stops.
Yeah, well, we have over 50 manufacturers at the E4 in Santa Clara, and they bring production units and product launches to the show, just like they do at ISE and Infocom. We're going to have a huddle space in our lobby with manufacturers such as Philips, Legrand,
Nice.
and the newest Barco ClickShare.
Very cool.
We're also going to have Link Lab from our services team, and they're going to be there to talk about engineering and drafting. design and 3D modeling programming, and their new digital signage management platform, Artura.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Nice. So, what makes like E4 experience in general such a valuable show for integrators and for end users to take a day out of the office to come attend?
Well, first off, it's a free event for our attendees, thanks to all of our participating manufacturers. It's a day that they can customize with classes. We also have free lunch, free breakfast. Thanks again to our manufacturers. But um, we run from 10 in the morning with our exhibit hall until 3 in the afternoon, and we weave in all of those CTS-certified classes. So you get your RUs for each of those classes, and it's a great day to network and just meet your salesperson, walk around, and talk to the manufacturers.
Absolutely. So, since we've had two 2025 E4 stops already, do you have any success stories or good feedback that you've heard from attendees from these earlier two stops of this year?
We get a lot of feedback on it. People talking about the technology that they get to see at the E4s that they may not be able to attend an
Yeah.
Infocom or an ISE, and this is their only opportunity to see this stuff. So they really appreciate the fact that they get to come and still see the things that they could see at those shows as well. They get a lot of hands-on experience and face-to-face time with their salespeople. So we've gotten good reviews so far.
Perfect. Yeah, I know because it's really great that you guys have four stops that kind of cover just about every area of America because, earlier this year you guys did Dallas and then you did the New York metro area and now it's Santa Clara and then after that it's Chicago. So you really do kind of hit just about the top four markets of the US with each of those stops. So, yeah, if someone can't come to an Infocom or an ISE even, this is like a great option.
Absolutely, absolutely. We try and mix it up we have a 2-year rotation of our cities that we go to, and Santa Clara is always a popular stop for us, and we're excited to have our customers come, bring their end users, and take them around and make this their showroom floor. So you bring your customers with you and show them what you can install and what you can do for them.
Absolutely. So, what is the easiest way for someone to register for the next E4?
Well, that is a very easy thing to do. You go to e4experience.com and you scroll down to Santa Clara and you click the register button there, and you should be able to fill out your registration. We have a list of classes. You can even reserve a spot in one of the classes or choose to just come and make the schedule yourself that day. You don't have to pick a class online, but that you have that option.
Perfect. Yes. And we are flashing up that graphic again that also has a QR code on it. So, if you're watching on your computer and you have your phone, you can scan that QR code. It'll also take you directly to the E4 site so you can register. So, thank you so much, Greg. I'm looking forward to seeing you in California.
Great stuff. I'm looking forward to seeing you as well. And everybody, register now and come and visit with us. Excuse me.
Sounds good. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching another episode of Rants and Raves. I'm Steph Beckett, and I will see you next time.
Rave Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and